Look, people are walking on the highway. Something happened up there. Damn, bro. Look, they all stuck. Yo, they need to hear that emergency. You know when they tell you the emergency thing? Stay home? God. Yo, get in there, bro. Look at those cars. They're stuck, bro. Yo, let's see if somebody's in there. Yeehaw! Yo, want to see somebody's in that car to see if they need help? Wow. Yo, anybody in that car? Somebody in there? Somebody in that car? That great car? Give me a hand, bro. You alright? Yeah. You alright? Alright. Oh shit, yo guys. This is strong right here, bro. This is strong. Alright. Yo, I just don't want to lose my phone. Hold on. Ah! I'm good. Hold the pole. Hold it. Pull me back. Pull me back. Don't trip on the sidewalk. Yeah. We're looking for someone. We're not going through. Get the fuck out of here. You got cars down there. 2 cars right there. Fuck them. Yo, is Dunkin' Donuts open? Is that your mom? Look at the bus making a U-turn.